Son, why are you crying? Calm down. Your father will come. Stop crying.
Amma, let me try once.
Please stop crying.
Oh no.
He just won't stop crying. Chocolate? Okay. Will you listen to a story?
Story?
Amma, he wants to listen to a story.
Is it? All right. I'll tell you Rupa's story today. Just as you are a brave child, Rupa was also a very brave girl.
Rupa? Wow! It's story time with Sudama.
Rupa's Great Escape. Everyone was preparing sweets for Diwali, except Rupa. She was an orphan girl with no relatives. Her only family was the villagers.
Dear Rupa, why are you inside? Come out, have some sweets. Did no one give you sweets?
Who would give her sweets? The poor child has no parents or any relatives.
Even Rupa didn't know whether she actually had any relatives or not.
Auntie, I have a relative. And this year, he will bring sweets and gifts as well.
You say this every festival, Rupa, but we haven't seen any of your relatives yet.
Even I haven't seen him. But he is a distant uncle of mine. He will definitely come this year.
She lied in front of the villagers, unaware that Champat, who was a con man, was secretly listening to her.
How lucky you are, Champat. You came here to find a maid for yourself and you got one for free. Rupa?
Huh?
My child, you've grown up so much. You were a little kid when I last saw you. Forgive me, my child. You have to live alone all these years. But not anymore. I'm here now. Come with your uncle. No need to live alone anymore.
Rupa was in a dilemma about what to do. Should she go or not?
What are you thinking, Rupa? You have already suffered a lot. Now go and live a happy life with your uncle.
From where did my uncle appear all of a sudden? But from the conversation, he indeed seems to be my real uncle.
Fearing that Rupa's lie might be caught, she agreed to go with Champat. Rupa was so impressed with the sweet talk of her new uncle that she started believing in everything he said. She reached his home while talking with him all the way.
Enough. It's enough. Now hold your luggage.
Huh? Who are you?
Champat, your fake uncle, my foolish child. Now you will stay here and you will do all the household chores. Don't even think about running away. Come on, get to work. And yes, take care of my mother. She can't see or hear properly.
Looking at this, Rupa understood that she had made a big mistake by trusting a stranger. However, Rupa was a brave girl. She decided to escape from there and made a plan.
After walking throughout the journey, I have become very tired. Let me rest for a while. Anyway, I have to do only work after that.
Open the door! Open it! no. Where did she go? Did you see a girl around here? My niece. She's fair, with long hair.
No.
Standing here for free is not allowed. This is not a shelter. You need a job, then tell me. Huh?
Yes, I need a job.
All right, stay here and if any traveler comes, show them the room. The more guests you bring, the more money you will get.
Okay, sir.
Champat uncle, get ready to learn your lesson now. Uncle, what happened?
Lion! Lion!
Lion? Oh, that's a common thing here. Take my suggestion and stay here today because a lion always hunts down its prey.
Pray? Ah! Huh? Yes, you're right. It's better to stay here for the night instead of being hunted by the lion. Can I get a decent room?
Why not? Come with me. Here is your room. You can sleep comfortably. Oh no, I forgot to mention one thing. Sometimes ghosts from the cemetery behind come wandering here at night. But don't be scared. They just look scary. They don't scare us at all.
What? Ghosts?
Let's have some fun now.
Ghost! 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 What is going on?
You fooled me, right? Now I'll teach you a lesson. Wait. Brother, please help me. I can't lift this box alone.
But what is in it that you are unable to lift it?
What do I say? I have to go to a wedding. All the jewelry and clothes for the wedding are in this box. If I don't go on time, everything will go wrong.
My friend Mungi, the time has come to fulfill our duties as thieves. The treasure itself has come to us. If we let it go, we won't be worthy of being called thieves.
Yes, you are right, my brother Chungi.
Yes, why not? But can we get some water to drink?
Yes, I will bring it right away.
Rupa goes inside to get water for them. And at that moment, Mungi and Chungi take a box and run away. Rupa laughs upon seeing this. Just then, Balchand and Lalchand arrive there.
Sister, we are chasing two thieves. Have they come this way by any chance?
Yes, they went that way. Look, they even took my box. Those thieves.
What? Catch them!
Chungi, my friend, soldiers are coming. If we survive today, we can do more thefts in the future. Come, throw away this box.
And that's how Rupa got rid of Champat forever.
Hey!
Take me out! Somebody, take me out!
She then returned to her home. But with a new lesson that never ever trust a stranger. Did you understand?
Bittu, Bittu.
Look there, your father has come.
Dad,
My son.
Your son is a brave kid.
just like Rupa from the story.
But don't leave him alone like this.
I'm sorry, Amma.
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Murthy Media.
बातों ही बातों में टप से टपके चखे वही जो गप से गप के साबुत सा सच्चा सा